Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be discussing about the module number 3 switching system in the second half. That particularly we'll be discussing about the gradings. Okay, so in this gradings we'll be discussing about principle. That is principle of grading we'll be discussing now. Let us go into details of this. This is a syllabus copy of yours. Module number 3, first half is over. We have started second half. In the previous video, you got the information of introduction to switching systems and single stage networks switching system that is covered now. Now we'll be discussing about gradings. Fine. Okay. So first we should understand what is grading, what is the principle of operation of grading. Then we should be understanding how grading is done and all those things. Okay, so let us go into details of this. For a route switch or a connector, it is necessary for each incoming trunk to have access to every outgoing trunk. What he's saying is, it is very much necessary. Each of the outgoing trunk should have a incoming trunk should have a outgoing trunk, and it is adequate if each incoming trunk has access to sufficient number of trunks on each route to give required grade of service. What he's saying is, it is adequate with the sufficient number if each incoming trunk has access to a sufficient number of trunks on each of the route to give a required grade of service. Grade of service is it is the measure of the service. Okay, how good your service is. Okay, तो रिक्वायर्ड ग्रेड ऑफ सर्विस एक सेट रहता है, इतना ग्रेड ऑफ सर्विस रहना बोल के, उतना ग्रेड ऑफ सर्विस रहने के लिए आपको कितना ट्रंक्स चाहिए उतना सफिशिएंट नंबर में रहा तो भी चलेगा बोल के बोल रहा है. ओके, दिस इज नोन एज लिमिटेड अवेलेबिलिटी. अगर आप सफिशिएंट नंबर लेके आपके सिस्टम को डिजाइन कर रहा है तो फुल अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं रहता है. इंस्टेड ऑफ फुल अवेलेबिलिटी विल बी हैविंग लिमिटेड अवेलेबिलिटी. बोले तो उतना ज्यादा नहीं रहता है, अवेलेबिलिटी थोड़ा कम रहता है. ठीक है, और कुछ सिस्टम में क्या रहता है 100% अवेलेबिलिटी रहता है, कोई भी कॉल लॉस्ट नहीं होता. यहाँ पे कुछ कॉल्स लॉस्ट हो सकता है. ठीक है, देन व्हाट इज सेइंग इज the number of outgoing trunks to which an incoming trunk can obtain connection is called as availability. What is availability? It is the number of outgoing trunks to which an incoming trunk can obtain a connection is called as availability. Okay, and corresponds to the outlet capacity of switches used. It is corresponding to the number of outlet that we have, so it is corresponding to that availability. Okay, now he's taking this figure, that is 5.3, and this 5.3 is showing us 20 trunks connected in a two separate group of switches. Availability is 10. Okay, so you just see over here in this group 1 we have 10 switches, in group 2 also we have 10 switches. Fine, and that is what he is saying, connected in two separate groups, two switches of availability 10. This switch is having availability 10, this switch is also availability 10. Fine, and figure A, this figure A is a full diagram and figure B is the grading diagram. ये full diagram grading diagram क्या है देखेंगे. ठीक है, देखो यहाँ पे क्या बता रहा है. The figure 5.3A shows 20 trunks on an outgoing route to which incoming trunks have access by means of switches giving an availability of only 10. Even though we have 20 switches over here, each of the switch can give us only availability of 10. Okay, and he's taking an example, 20 circuits on an outgoing junction route from a selector level in a step-by-step exchange having 100 outlet, 2 motion group selectors. We have 2 motion group selector over here. Example he is taking. In a figure 5.3a, the outlets of the switches are multiplied together into 2 separate groups and 10 outgoing trunks are allocated to each group. See, in each group we have 10 outgoing trunks. That is what he is saying. Now, if the total traffic offered to the incoming trunk is say 8 airlongs, वो ग्रुप को टोटल ट्रैफिक अगर आप दे रहे हैं और वो 8 airlongs है, तो each group of outgoing trunks is offered 4 airlongs because we have 2, right? See, the total number of trunks is given to 2 groups, right? Group 1 and group 2. अगर आपको 8 airlong traffic आता है, so group 1 is will be carrying 4 airlong of traffic. Group 2 is also carrying 4 airlong of traffic. That is what he is saying. Fine. And will provide a grade of service of better than 0.01. Okay, the arrangement shown in 3.5 is clearly less efficient than a single full availability group. What he's saying is whatever the arrangement that is shown in figure 5.3a is less efficient. बोले तो उतना efficient नहीं है. किसको compare करे तो compare to full availability group. क्योंकि full availability group में क्या रहता है, कोई भी call loss नहीं होता है. जितने भी incoming lines आएंगे उतने outgoing trunks रहेंगे. ठीक है, तो सभी कोई भी कॉल लॉस्ट नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे क्या हो सकता है, कुछ कॉल्स लॉस्ट हो सकते हैं. सो इट इज नॉट मच एफिशिएंट दैट ऑफ फुल अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप. ओके, इफ द ट्रैफिक ऑफर टू द टू ग्रुप्स ऑफ इनकमिंग ट्रंक्स इज रैंडम, अगर जो ट्रैफिक जो आ रहा है ट्रंक्स को अगर वो रैंडम में है तो पीक लोड्स विल सेल्डम ऑकर साइमल्टेनियसली इन टू ग्रुप्स. दोनों ग्रुप में क्या होता है, पीक लोड आ जाता है. एफिशिएंसी कैन देयरफॉर बी इंप्रूव्ड थ्रू मिक्सिंग द ट्रैफिक बाय इंटरकनेक्टिंग द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द टू ग्रुप्स सो दैट सम ऑफ द आउटगोइंग ट्रंक्स आर अवेलेबल to both groups of the switches. What he's saying is, let us say for example we have two groups over here. In this group, let us say some 4 air long traffic is there. In this group, let us say some 8 air long traffic comes in. So what is happening, in the group 2 very less traffic is there. In the group 1 almost double the traffic that is there in the group 2 is coming in. यहाँ पे 4 air long, यहाँ पे 8 air long अगर आप लोग अज्यूम करेंगे तो क्या हो जाता है, ग्रुप 1 ओवरलोड हो जाता है. ग्रुप 2 क्या होता है, उसमें से 4 एल ट्रैफिक रहता है, तो आधा कैपेसिटी उसका जो है ऐसे वेस्ट जा रहा है ना. तो इसको अगर ये ग्रुप को ज्यादा ओवरलोड नहीं होना है बोले तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, वी हैव टू मेक सम अरेंजमेंट सो दैट वी कैन शेयर द लाइन्स इन ग्रुप 1 विद द लाइन्स इन ग्रुप 2 और लाइन्स इन ग्रुप 2 विद द लाइन्स इन द group 1. That is what is shown over here in this figure 5.4. Just see here, what is happening is the lines, 4 lines of group 1 are being shared with the other group 4 lines. So by doing this, what is happening is, if group 1 is having more traffic compared to group 2, it can send its some of the traffic to group 2. And now what is happening is, group 1 and group 2 are sharing the load. They are sharing the load means they are equally loaded. Meaning is, पहले केस में क्या हुआ था, एक ओवरलोड हुआ था, एक अंडरलोड हुआ था. अभी क्या हुआ है, दोनों इक्वली लोड हुआ है, तो ट्रैफिक कैन बी इजीली maintained. That is what he is saying. Okay, now what this figure is saying, I am saying about grading diagram, right? Let us go to previous figure. In this figure also we had grading diagram. Just see, grading diagrams are independent from each other, right? And now just see the grading diagram over here. Here 13th line is interconnected to each other, 14th line, 15th line and 16th line. बोले तो last 4 lines in the each group will be shared with each other. Fine. Okay, वही बता रहा है. So the arrangement shown in 5.3a is clearly less efficient than a single group of availability. वो है ना, यहाँ पे देखेंगे. Okay, if the traffic offered to two groups of the incoming trunk is random, peak loads will seldom occur simultaneously in the two groups. Efficiency can therefore be improved through mixing. यहाँ पे देखो, through mixing the traffic by interconnecting multiples of the two groups so that some of the outgoing trunks are available to both the groups of switches. If the switches search sequentially for free outlets, then later choice outlets carry the least traffic. It is therefore desirable to connect the later choice trunks to both the groups of selectors as shown in 5.4a. One more thing, what is trying to say, what is saying is, see, we have connected last 4 lines to last 4 lines here. Are you observing? So last 4 lines are being connected to last 4 lines over here. The meaning is, why they are connecting last 4 is, let us say for example, if first call comes in, then first trunk is selected. Second आया तो second select होता है, third आया तो third select होता है. Likewise, so these will be selected from starting from first, and later switches will be utilized very less compared to the earlier switches. Like that is why what he is trying to say is, these switches at the end are interconnected so that their usability will be less. That is what he is trying to say. In this arrangement, the first 6 outlets are in the two groups are separate, having full availability group. The last 4 outlets are common to both the groups and carry the traffic that overflows when the first 6 outlets of each group are busy. देखो हर ग्रुप में फर्स्ट 6 क्या है, इंडिपेंडेंट है, लास्ट का 4 जो है वो कंबाइन किया गया है, जो उनको जोड़ दिया गया है, ठीक है. एंड दिस कंबाइंड switches or trunks will carry the traffic only when the first 6 are fully overloaded. वो फुल होने के बाद ही यहाँ पे नीचे जो कनेक्ट इंटरकनेक्ट जो किए हैं ना हम लोग, उसको कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं. ओके, इट इज शोन इन आगे के सेक्शन बता रहे बोल के बोल रहे, ठीक है. द अरेंजमेंट शोन इन 5.4a requires only one more outgoing trunk than full availability group having a similar grade of service. What is trying to say is फुल अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप को और ये हमारे यहाँ पे ग्रेडिंग का जो देखे ना 5.4a में, वो ऑलमोस्ट दोनों सेम ही है बोल के बोल रहा हूँ. उसके साथ और एक ट्रंक अगर आप ऐड कर देंगे तो भी फुल अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप में कितना ग्रेड ऑफ सर्विस रहता है ना, उतना इक्वल हो जाता है. उसका मतलब क्या है, वट एवर दिस 5.4a फिगर व्हाट वी हैव दिस ग्रेडिंग सिस्टम, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू द फुल अवेलेबिलिटी ग्रुप ओनली. दैट इज व्हाट ही इज ट्राइंग टू से ओवर हियर. ओके, आगे देखो. the technique described above, अभी जस्ट जो हम लोग डिस्कस किए ना, the technique described above of interconnecting multiples of switches is called as grading. okay, अभी जो डिस्कस किए ना वो टेक्निक में क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इंटरकनेक्टिंग. वी आर इंटरकनेक्टिंग multiples of the switches and that is called as grading. Fine. An interconnection of trunks based on this principle is called as grading. Fine. And the conventional diagrammatic representation of grading is shown in 5.4b. This is our 5.4e. This is the conventional diagram with which what we are describing is the lines being interconnected, that being shown over here. That is what he is trying to say. Okay, so आगे देखो क्या बोल रहा है. They are okay. It is called as grading. The conventional diagrammatic that is shown in figure B, a grading enables a single switching stage to provide access to number of trunks greater than availability. Grading करने के क्या होता है, उनका कैपेबिलिटी, कॉल कनेक्ट करने की कैपेबिलिटी जो है वो इंक्रीज हो जाता है. ओके, बट नॉट एक्सीडिंग इट बाय एन order of magnitude. A grading provides poorer grade of service than full availability group with the same number of trunks. देखो क्या बता रहा है, a grading provides poorer grade of service than full availability group. Do you agree for this? In the full availability group, what happens is none of the calls will be lost, whereas in this grading system, some of the calls may be lost. So that is why he is saying that it provides poorer grade of service than the full availability group. Some calls, some lost calls occur even when there are free outgoing trunks. When these trunks are in the part of grading which is not accessible to the group selectors containing incoming trunk requiring connection. So we have in this system some trunks are being shared, right? These shared trunks cannot be used by the group selectors alone. Okay, so that is why some calls will be lost. That is what he is saying. Okay, so this is all about the grading. If you have any doubts, we can discuss it further and get me back if you have any doubts. Fine. Thank you.